Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. My name is Juliet. So in this video, I will be sharing with you how I make 6 pieces skirt. Here I have 2.5 yards of fabric. I folded it into 2 equal parts. So on this open end, I am marking 1.5 inches, which I will use for zip for the back. So I marked 1.5 inches all the way down and I'm connecting with my ruler. So remember I said it's 2.5 yards of fabric here folded into 2. So I'm folding again. So now we have 4 folds. So this second fold now is sitting on that line we just drew. So it's more like we have 2.5 yards of fabric now folded into 4 with a little 1.5 inches hanging over. So the opposite side is all folded, while this other side with the zip allowance has one open end and no, 2 open ends and 2 folded, complete fold. So I'm using the entire length of the Ankara for the skirt, but if your length is shorter, the first thing you do is mark your length before you start marking what I'm marking now, which is the waist to the knee. So I'm marking the nipple to nipple divided by 2 plus extra half inch. So I'm working with 8 inches divided by 2, that is 4 plus half inch, making 4.5. So this is 4.5. I marked all the way to that knee point. Now how I got the knee point is I measured the waist to the knee of my client and then I removed 2 inches from it. So the waist to the knee I got was 22 minus 2 inches, I got 20. So 20 is what I'm working with. So on this other end, you're going to come up here now and then mark 9 inches, which is the hip line, and then the 20 inches for the knee point. I'm going to come this way and mark it again like so. So after marking the knee line and then the hip line on this other end, we're going to do a little calculation. So you divide your hip by 4. The hip I'm working with is 40. So 40 divided by 4 is 10 inches. So 10 inches minus 4, which is what we marked on this side. Remember we marked 4.5. The half is for allowance. So 10 inches minus 4, we're going to have 6 inches left. I added extra 3 inches to that 6, making it 9. And this is what I marked from this top down to this knee line. So from this point now, I'm going to connect in a slant all the way to this other point, like so. Then from this other end as well, I'm going to connect from this point to the down in a slant as well. And we're almost done. It's as simple as that. See? So on this side, on the knee line, I'm going to come in by 1 inch like so. Then on the waistline as well, I'll come in by 1 inch. Then I will connect to the hip line. Then from the waist again, I connect to the hip line like so. Then from this end, I'll just slant it out all the way like that. And that's basically it. That's how to cut 6 pieces skirt. Quick and easy, using just 2.5 yards of fabric. So next I'm cutting out. So I'm taking out that this edge of the Ankara, the part with the writing on it. I didn't include that in my measurements. So after cutting this part, that is all there is to cutting a 6-piece skirt. It's as simple as that. In my next video, I will show you how I cut an 8-piece skirt. So watch out for that. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a like, share it with your friends, and leave a comment in the comment section below. I will see you in my next video. Bye.